Good morning, guys. Welcome back to my channel. I'm Mackenzie Nelson if you're new here, and I'm in Costa Rica with my boyfriend.
Good morning.
We met up in Liberia and then traveled to Tamarindo, and that was my last vlog, so if you haven't watched it, make sure you go check that out, the last one. And now we are in La Fortuna in Costa Rica, which is like the jungle area. And we're really excited to be here because this area is packed with adventure, and that is exactly what we signed up for. We have 2 full days here, and it's going to be packed with adventure starting right now, starting with today. We are going to hike to the La Fortuna waterfall, or I also heard about a secret waterfall, so hopefully we could get to that one because that one's free. But first we're going to get the free hostel breakfast. We are staying at La Choza Hotel and Inn, something like that, and it always includes like a traditional breakfast, so we're gonna go ahead and eat that now and then hit the road for the waterfall. We're off to see the wizard, the wonderful Wizard of Oz.
Wait.
We made it to the touristy waterfall, but my friend gave me directions to get to a lesser known waterfall for locals. We're gonna just explore a little bit and see if we could find it. We're gonna try going just right of the Fortuna sign to this path. It is really beautiful, and although it's like it's a well-paved path, I think we're gonna turn around and just go pay for the La Fortuna waterfall. I think that this is just a hiking trail. I think we're at a lost cause here. But it is really pretty. There's been nobody on this path so far, and it would be a really pretty hike to do if you were in proper hiking shoes. But we're in sandals. $18 each. Alright, so we bought the tickets and they were $18 each, which is like, whew, so I really hope it's worth it. I think it will be though, because we could swim in it and everything. She just told me it's like a 15-20 minute walk there, and we're walking there now.
Yep. On
this really cool bridge. There it is.
Wow.
You know, if we hike down, we have to hike back up.
I'm not gonna make you fall. Thank you for not fall.
I just wanted to mention that spending the $18 is fine. It's not about the money, but it's that it's a natural thing, just a waterfall in the nature, and they're making us pay $18 to see something. Like, they're taking advantage of the nature that they're surrounded by and like making us pay such a steep price for it. Like, if it was like a few bucks maybe for the maintenance and everything, to keep the waterfall clean and whatnot, and like have the workers at the ticket booth, you know, whatever. But like, it's $18.
Beautiful.
Ew, it's so cold. Come on, you gotta do it, you gotta do it. You keep on. Alright, we're back from the waterfall and we came to get some food before our next adventure. This place is conveniently located right next to our hostel, like literally right next to our hostel. We came here last night to get food. It's another soda, which is a traditional like food places, restaurants in Costa Rica. They're cheaper and very good traditional food. We came to this one last night and it was really, really good, so we decided to come here for a quick lunch before our next adventure, and we're going zip lining. So it's gonna be really, really fun. It's on Ian's bucket list to zip line through the jungle, so that's what we're doing. It's gonna be really fun. How deep is your love? Is your love? How deep is your love? I really need to know. So I totally devoured it, but I got some spring rice and just like vegetable rice. So we signed up for this tour with our hostel, and it was $50 per person, but we also signed up with another thing, and because like for tomorrow, and because of that we got a discount on it. So I think usually it's like 55, but we got it for 50, and we're getting in the bus right now to go. We're suited and booted, all ready to go.
That is more easy for we connect your. Sometimes you need to jump.
No. Wait, how do I stop?
Pull down. On this
Over
hand.
there.
This hand now, you pull down.
Okay, pull down and
Yeah.
hold like this.
No, only one hand.
Okay.
Okay, ready?
Can I go?
Let's go. Yeah. Pull down.
I just sit. I'll just, okay.
Pull down.
No way. Oh, that's far.
Break all the end.
Okay, and am I able to do this? Okay.
Go fast.
Okay. Okay. Woo! Yeah!
And the next platform, you wait for everybody.
Okay.
Touch your legs, amiga. Go fast and just break it down.
Okay, how far does this one go?
And this one is like 300 meters.
Okay, cool. Woo! It just goes, goes, goes! Whoa! Hola! The volcano! We came through the trees here. Now we're going back this way. It's been crazy. Ay, 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 Woo! Ready?
Are you ready?
I'm ready.
Let's go, my friend.
Okay.
Hola, Mackenzie! Muy bien.
There we go! Woo! We have 6 more!
Smile.
Bye, Ian! Woo! Wow! I think we still have like 4 more lines to go down. This has been a blast. My adrenaline is pumping. How are you feeling?
This is my first time, but I would recommend it.
Yeah, this is really, really cool. Because you're just like swinging through the jungle, like literally in a zigzag through the jungle. It's cool. Woo! Yo! They gave us an opportunity to do the Tarzan swing, and of course we had to take it. You literally just swing, just drop and swing. That was insane.
It was over very fast. And your knee? That's the loudest one.
Ow!
Yeah, maybe. Bye-bye!
You heard it here, ladies and gentlemen. He said he wouldn't do it if I didn't do it. What a true gentleman.
I mean, I'm just being honest. If she didn't do it, I probably wouldn't have done it. I was here by myself.
It was terrifying. I didn't want to like film before because I was like so anxious, but it was really, really fun, and I like screamed screamed.
I'm glad
hard.
I did it though.
My throat now hurts because I screamed.
I'm glad I did it. I've never fallen like that.
Yeah, I'm
That was
glad
an
I did it
experience.
too. It was for free only because we got a small group with us today, but like the group later today I guess is really big, so they won't be able to do it. So we got really, really lucky. There's only 2 more, right?
Yes.
And make them count.
This is the longest one.
This is the longest one out of all of them. Yep.
Adios. See. Bye-bye.
Adios! Woo! It's raining! Woo! Woo! This one's different. Okay. Woo! Woo! Emma. Okay. Hello you guys, we've just been chilling back at the hostel for quite some time now. We're pretty pooped from today. Such a fun day, and we have another really fun day planned tomorrow too, but I think that they're both gonna be really big videos, so I'm gonna split them up and end this one here. So subscribe and like if you haven't already to see tomorrow's vlog, because it's also gonna be really fun and adventurous and a full day here in Fortuna, Costa Rica.